This is a seated hover with knees bent and alternating marches. So I've got just my heels on the ground and my hands are on the ground, or essentially on blocks because my arms are too short. And I'm lifting my butt up off the ground with shoulders back and down. Head is up, head is back, so my spine's up nice and long and tall. Really trying to make sure I keep a straight back as well, and not falling into an arch spine, but a nice tall, long spine. And then as I hold my positioning up there, I'm alternating, picking one foot up and then the other back and forth. My hands are really short. I can't really lift myself up even with good form. So if that's the case for you too, you can use something like yoga blocks like me, or a stack of books where you just use the same height of books on each side, or even some push-up handles. Whatever you're using to help you lift up there, make sure it's right at your sides so your hands are just below your shoulders. And then from this positioning here, I'm going to first squeeze my shoulder blades back and down. It's going to help lift my chest up and out. So chest is up and out, head's back, spine's tall. And holding that, I'm then just going to extend my elbows, pressing down on the blocks and picking my hips up off the ground. So my butt's off the ground now, just the heels are down with them. And then I'm going to alternate, picking one foot up and the other foot. And you're going to count for reps, however many marches you can get on each side, keeping good form. If you start to fall out of form, shoulders rounding forward, back rounding forward, squeeze back, arch back, try to fix it. And if you can't, that's when you set down and you reset. That's the end of your set. Mark however many reps you did and just keep working up from there. But that there are your seated hovers with knees bent and alternating marches.